So today we're hanging out at Planet Fitness and this is gym shorts, guys, I promise you. So I'm here with Josh the Real, who is my son, and of course my brother in Christ, personal fitness trainer, singing melody and everything, yeah? Akeno the voice. And he's running us through some drills, yeah? We're working on abs, we're working on core, doing a little bit of cardio, going through the motions. And it's what's encouraging is that Joshua is doing his best. He's putting out a whole heap of effort to step it up and get fit. This is gym shots. Watch and see what go on. Remember me tell you.
Don't nipple count. Nah, just make it hurt. Make it hurt. Huh?
Go, Josh.
Make it hurt, bro. Make it hurt. Make it hurt, bro. Make it hurt. There you go. Make it hurt, bro. It's supposed to hurt. There you go.
Go all the way around. Go all the way around, Josh. As far around as you can go.
See, Josh? Simple. There you go. 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 Yeah, man. There it is. If you have more, give me more. If you have more, give me more, yo. Hey, that's okay though. Hey, that's okay. There you go. That's it. You got it. You got it. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. There you go. That's it. If you
My youth, you show up now. You have hold it. Where you hold it for? Yeah, that's how messed up come my gym, man. To show off, man. Eh? Watch it, watch it, watch it. I need to come at the gym with some fat people. I could have beat them. But them same people are show off. This don't make no sense.
Make it burn in the bread. Make it burn some more. You have about 2 more, you know? You have 2 more, you have 2 more. You have 2 more. My way, Jaffa. Man asleep. You're asleep. Man asleep.